Another day, another story. Meet Asaya, a curious soul with a penchant for daring escapades. In the quest for a whirlwind adventure, Asaya hatched a plan to ride inside a spinning washing machine, hoping for a thrill like no other. As the cycle commenced, the excitement quickly turned into a perilous situation. Asaya struggled to maintain balance within the rapidly rotating drum, and before he knew it, he was flung from the machine with a force that proved fatal. The daring escapade ended in tragedy, serving as a somber reminder that even the most innocent-seeming ideas can lead to disastrous outcomes. Rest in peace, Asaya, forever marked by your whirlwind journey.